everyone, welcome to my clothing treasure, and today I have got tissue malmal sarees and these are very soft. जैसे मलमल कॉटन आपने यूज़ किया है तो यू वुड नो कि उसका टेक्सचर कितना सॉफ्ट होता है. सो इवन विथ टिश्यू यू कैन सी दैट इट इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट, वेरी सॉफ्ट. एंड देन दीज आर हैंड वुवन साड़ीज. सो इसमें एक अलग सी सॉफ्टनेस है. इट्स नॉट लाइक योर टिपिकल टिश्यू साड़ी जो कि थोड़ा सा स्टिफ होता है. एंड वेरी इन ट्रेंड ऑल्सो. आपको इस टाइप की साड़ीज चंदेरी, माहेश्वरी, उसमें भी मिल सकती हैं इन प्योर सिल्क फैब्रिक्स, but again they come for a higher price. These are very easy on pocket, I would say, and very lightweight. You can see how beautiful this color is. It's a blue के साथ dual shine है copper का. So copper dual shine blue, and it doesn't have any border as such. I'll just show you this. This is the border, okay? Very teeny, just like a it's like a line, not even an inch, maybe maybe 2-3 millimeters or so. And this is the tassel. So ये जो साड़ी है, this also comes with a blouse piece. So if you want to go with a monochromatic look, metallic look, पूरे सर से पैर तक, then also you can go for that. It's a beautiful sari and the price is 2750. okay, pure cotton मलमल टिश्यू साड़ीज और बहुत सॉफ्ट है, परफेक्ट फॉर समर्स एंड पार्टी वेयर तो है ही. and these are going to be there in trend for a long time. So if you haven't yet grabbed a metallic tissue sari, then grab these. It's just beautiful, very lightweight, perfect for summers, and have blouse piece too. Okay, so let's move on to the next color. Okay, so this is another gorgeous color. You can see इसमें orange and pink का mix है, dark pink and orange with a copper tone. You can see the metallic shine, and that's the sari. Very soft, lightweight, 6.4 meters long with blouse piece. Price is 2750. Can be ordered online on the website or through my WhatsApp 8260607401. That's the number. You can see how lightweight it is, right? It's very lightweight and very easy to drape. And washing recommendation, I would say go for dry clean, don't hand wash it, okay? Because of the tissue, there is a lot of tissue. I don't recommend getting it washing it at home. So yes, it will be a beautiful drape for if you have any kind of festive occasion coming, or even for casual outing. People will stop and ask you कि आपने ये साड़ी कहाँ से ली. It's very beautiful. This is again another gorgeous color, copper पे black. So ये shadow जब भी you will move, it is literally like melting metallic shine. बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है. Price is again same, 2750. Can be ordered online or on WhatsApp. कोई भी query है, do check with me on WhatsApp. I'll revert back. And let's move on to the next color. Again another pretty color. I cannot really pinpoint कौन सा मेरा favorite है, because all of them are so different, so unique color wise. And the most important factor that I consider before buying any saree is the comfort, जो कि इस साड़ी में बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट, हार्डली 400 ग्राम्स, एंड मलमल कॉटन के साथ टिश्यू, बट सो सॉफ्ट. टिश्यू आते ही साड़ी थोड़ी सी तो स्टिफ हो जाती है, बट नॉट दीज गाइज. यू शुड ट्राई दीज मलमल वंस. मलमल टिश्यू का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, इट्स रियली फैब. एंड साड़ी में ब्लाउज पीस भी है, बट यू कैन सी इट लुक्स नाइस विद दिस ब्लॉक प्रिंट ब्लाउज. सो यू कैन गो ऑल आउट एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट जितनी भी आपको मर्जी है. इवन यू कैन कस्टमाइज द साड़ी एज वेल, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. सो इट टोटली स्काई इज द लिमिट. ये एंटिक गोल्ड कलर है एंड वेरी गॉर्जियस. गोल्ड के साथ ब्लैक का शीन. एक दूसरा आपको दिखाया था मैंने, दैट हैड कॉपर शाइन विथ ब्लैक, कॉपर कलर पे ब्लैक का शाइन था. सो all these sarees are just fabulous. The color, the way they look, that is the most important, and the way they feel on the body. Okay, so that is the most important thing. बाकी तो इसमें बस color ही change हो रहा है, and every color is just Wow. So have a look at the sari if you like. Go on, take a screenshot, send me on WhatsApp. अगर website से book करना है, then please go on and order it online. My Clothing Treasure, that's the website, and I'll show you the next color. Okay, so this is the most unique color from the lot. It's a pastel green. उसपे जो shine है, the gold metallic part is somewhere between gold and silver. It's not really silver. It's not really gold. It's somewhere in between. मतलब silver के जैसे flat white shine भी नहीं है and not really proper gold. And comfort is same. And color is just, I think summer के हिसाब से this is the color that you can wear even during daytime. It will not feel like you are dressing up too much. So I really like this color, really like how it looks. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Another blue, and this time it has gold shine. The first one I shared that had copper shine. Gold blue के साथ copper shine था. It has gold shine and it's a beautiful color as you can see. Very fresh, lightweight, बहुत lightweight है, and the comfort of cotton, you know that. So it's just amazing. Guys, just go for it. Really, I haven't felt this excited about any collection for a long time. This is just fab. बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है. All the colors are fab. Just whatever you like, just go for it. Beautiful. Henna gold. Beautiful color again. Olive green henna के साथ gold का mix है, and fabric again, I have no words. Very comfortable, very lightweight. It looks like molten gold. बहुत ही beautiful. All the colors are very, very beautiful. With blouse piece, price same 2750. Let's move on to the next color. Again a very beautiful and very unique color. ये copper के साथ sea green, not really sea green, peacock green. Yes, peacock green would be the correct color. Peacock green का shine है. You can see when I am moving, you will see that the base is copper. I'm just giving you, I'm just moving the sari a bit so that you get to know the exact color. You can see the shine very clearly when I'm making the folds. Yes, isn't it gorgeous? बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. When you actually wear it, it will look just fab. You don't need any accessories, not much of accessories. Just keep it simple and the sari will do all the talking. Wonderful color. Let's move on to the next one. Pink gold. इससे पहले I had shown you a copper and pink का combination. This one has gold shine with pink. Again बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है. अगर मुझे बोला जाए इनमें से कोई कलर चूज करने को, so I'll find it really difficult. बहुत difficult है, because all of them are so fab, so unique, and they look so good. Every color that I'm showing you, I am just realizing कि कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, even with just random block print blouse. So अगर आप अच्छे से pair करोगे, अच्छे से तैयार होगे, then it will look just fab. And ये सारी sarees hand woven है, so mild irregularities हो सकती हैं, like thread pulling or थोड़ा सा thread jump, which is common with hand woven variety. So don't consider that as damage. बहुत कुछ नहीं होगा. Still I'm just mentioning because सारे hand woven sarees में there are chances कि कहीं छोटे मोटे handloom marks रह जाएं. Okay, so again let's move on to the next one. I have 2-3 more colors, then we will just wrap this video up. This is again a pretty one. सारे colors ही बहुत सुंदर है. मैं बोलते बोलते मैं थक गई हूँ, पर you can see, right? सारे colors, they look just fab. This is a green and gold का combination. Again very appropriate for Indian complexion और festivities में तो बहुत ही अच्छी लगेगी. You can just pair with the same blouse or contrast dark maroon or something like that. Even gold. बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन आप कर सकते हैं इस पे, बिकॉज देयर इज नो बाउंड्री. इस पे कोई भी बॉर्डर भी नहीं है, कुछ वर्क भी नहीं है. इट्स कम्प्लीटली प्लेन, सो यू कैन गो ऑल आउट विथ योर एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. सो या लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट 2 colors. Okay, so this one is antique gold with purple shine. अगेन बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है, लाइक ऑल द कलर्स, सारे कलर्स ही अपने आप में बेहतरीन है, मतलब बहुत ही सुंदर कलर्स हैं। किसी एक कलर को मैं नहीं बोल सकती कि ये बहुत अच्छा है या वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं है। ऑल द कलर्स आर जस्ट फैब्यूलस। एंड फैब्रिक के बारे में मैंने आपको बता ही दिया कि इट इज़ मलमल कॉटन, उसके साथ टिश्यू मिक्स, सो इट इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट, ओके, नॉट स्टिफ एट ऑल, very easy to wear, very easy to maintain. Price is 2750. Wash care recommendation is dry clean and with blouse piece 6.4 meter length है इसमें, same running blouse piece है, and you can order online or you can order through WhatsApp. Cash on delivery is also available for 100 rupees extra. And if you want to go for multiple pieces, then ping me on WhatsApp. That can also be done. ये hand woven sarees है, it will take about 10 to 12 days to make, but can be deliverable, can be done. अगर आपको multiple pieces चाहिए किसी एक कलर में, then also that can be done, okay. And these are always available. As I mentioned कि hand woven pieces है, फिर से बन जाएंगी, थोड़ा time लगेगा but बन जाएगी. So if you want and it's not immediately available, I can send it in 2 weeks about, okay. So yes, I think that's it. I hope you liked this collection and we're back with another collection very soon. Till then, bye.